Now we go to other place. So you have to climb here.
Climb here too.
We don't have no protection. Huh? Too many. Go inside. No good place. Can I have one small piece? Oh man. Oh, look at this bite.
Thế lại
So this is a food for bees.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I want to eat food. So it's night time. We're going outside to get the honey. So it's so dark.
maybe very cold. No honey.
No, okay.
Go to see more.
The other one. So now you have to go other place. Now we go to other place to get honey. So you have to climb here.
Climb here to go.
Okay. Safe, huh? Okay. Oh.
Xong nó muối. Nó chặt tôi ấy.
Maybe this one needs to be honey.
This is
No. We don't have no protection.
This one the honey, I think.
I think so. This. Too many.
Coming?
Yeah, I think. Huh?
You want me coming home or you stay there?
Put the light and don't keep.
Yeah, I think better no light.
Yeah.
If not, they don't see you. If you put the light, they see you.
Yeah, this problem.
When I'm coming?
Yeah, I'm coming down. Alright, too much, no protection.
Yeah.
Okay, my friend, bye bye. You stay by yourself. You have no protection, so not safe.
Yeah.
Already I sting one. I'll stay here, maybe stay here.
Stay here too.
I don't want to leave him alone. Look, you have plenty. What the hell? Okay. So you have to put my torch. I got my, thank you. Now we go back to house. We get plenty honey. But there are too many honeybees. Is it okay for house?
Okay.
Yeah. Sting you?
Like there.
Yeah.
One here. One here.
Vậy thì
Yeah.
ghét khó
Me
chịu.
one in here. Yeah.
Khá là ốp liên là siêu.
I just keep it outside.
Tỏ nó rõ nó chung nó là khổ. Con chạy con.
Is honey? Oh, that is good, yeah. It's very good. Be careful, huh? It's going inside. No good place. My friend, don't go there. No good. Oh, lovely. This honey is so beautiful. Can I have one small piece? Small, small. It's too much. Oh man. Hello. Oh. Look at this bite. This is pure honey, and this is like the
No honey.
no honey. So I don't know what they do with this one, but this one is very good honey and so good quality. Thank you very much, for honey.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks.
It's very good. Honeyman. He's a honeyman. In the night. A lot of honeybees around us on the floor. Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Cái trứng mua sức khỏe rồi. Cái trứng mua mấy nhiêu sức khỏe rồi.
Yeah, this is our honey. Natural, organic, pure honey. We have never ever get this honey anywhere. So what do you do this one? What do you do with this? This is the good honey, isn't it?
Oh, this one the honey?
The good honey. This is good, we keep it. What about, I think this one no good.
This one no.
No good. So what do you
This
do
one
with
you
this
see
one?
the holidays baby
Yeah.
around here.
Okay.
Where you keep it is long time. They have more baby. They get very full. They also change. They have like many mother. They also change. They also made another house.
Okay.
Yeah, too dry.
See. It's good?
Chị làm đó.
Let me try one piece and see.
Here, honey.
Yeah.
Here,
Baby.
baby.
Yeah.
Here is like rice or honey rice.
Right for the bees. The food for the bees.
Food for bees.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a food for bees.
Yeah.
Food.
Okay, okay, let's see. I want to eat food. That one you said to me is different honey. You give it to me.
Yeah, this one the bees that eat
Okay.
this. This
Okay,
one the food
okay,
for
okay.
bees.
Yeah, if you see, there's different color. Tastes no good.
If you like, it's good. If you don't like, no. You like or no?
I eat, but I don't know. I really.
You eat, you actually know.